To add a Visa gift card to Uber Eats, start by opening the Uber Eats app on your device. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap Payment from the menu. Next, tap Add Payment Method and select Gift Card. You will be prompted to enter the gift card details, including the gift card number, expiration date, and security code. The gift card number is typically 16 digits and can be found on the front of the card. The expiration date is usually found on the front of the card as well. And the security code is a 3-digit code found on the back of the card. After entering the gift card details, tap Save to add the gift card to your Uber Eats account. You can use the gift card to pay for your orders by selecting it as your payment method at checkout. To use the gift card, simply tap on it as your payment method when you are checking out. If the gift card balance is not enough to cover the full cost of the order, you can use another payment method to cover the remaining amount. It is also important to note that gift cards are non-refundable and cannot be replaced if lost or stolen. Make sure to keep your gift card details safe and secure to avoid any potential issues. By following these steps, you can easily add a Visa gift card to your Uber Eats account and start using it to pay for your orders. This is a convenient and easy way to pay for your food without having to use a credit or debit card.